Yo, what's up? It's Derpy. Um, I wrote this thing. It can encrypt files um, using ciphers, not the right computer science way, but I stacked a bunch of ciphers on top of each other, and I made the Caesar cipher, which is the weakest one, in my opinion. Um, I did some jank shit, and now this string that's the cipher alphabet fucking adds itself back onto itself in a reverse order, but not completely reverse. So it slices one portion of itself and fucking adds itself together, and fucking then is a different position based off of the key. And then I made it so that even if the key is longer than this fucking thing, you can fucking. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We're gonna shuffle it. It's happening. Alright? Moving on. Moving on. I have a file. It's full of Lovecraft's books. Not all of, well, full. Shit. Not full. Half of them. Because I had to train a neural network with it, and it was too much fucking of the old gods speaking the truth and making my mind cry. No, it made my computer cry, and it hurt the elder gods, and now my apartment is cursed. Don't take any of that seriously, please. I'm going to encrypt a file now because I'm rambling. So to do the thing, I do that, and then I give it a key. And the key does that. And I apparently encrypt it, right? And it looks like that. It looks like that, right? Okay. So hello? Okay. When I do this, if it stops glitching, okay. We're gonna give it the same key. Oh, decrypt. Sorry, I couldn't see. It was glitched the fuck out. Ah, Lovecraft's books. Ah, yeah. Wait, but let me check something. Eh. Sorry, I'm making sure that it's not actually broken. Nope, it's not broken. That's in the right place. Okay, so yeah, it decrypts and it does all of the things that I thought it does. Ha.